In Excel, you can format numbers in cells for things like percentage, dates, decimals, phone numbers, currency, or even social security numbers. To do so, let's begin by selecting the concerned cells for which we want to change the format. Under Home tab, go to Number section and click on General. Here you can locate General, Number, Currency, Accounting, Short Date Format, Long Date, Time, Percentage, Fraction, and if you wish to have more, just click More Number Formats, and here you can have additional one accordingly. For this one, we're going to select Currency, and we're going to select Czech Crowns, and we are going to click OK. We'll click to readjust so that the whole number appear. If you also wish to select the dates format, select the date cells, right-click with the mouse, and select Format Cells. And here, make sure that you are under category Date, and you can select the suitable one for you. Once you have selected the wished one, click OK, and it will be applied accordingly.